There's increasing interest in agroforestry across the farming community. It doesn't matter whether you're organic, conventional, biodynamic, whatever the label is, people seem to be more and more interested in planting trees on their farms, not just on the side. But there are two things that are holding people back. One is a lack of funding or an understanding of how we can use agroforestry to increase the economic resilience of a farm, but the other is knowledge. Agroforestry is a complex topic and requires long-term thinking to ensure that you plant the right tree in the right place for years to come. In the Agroforestry Design Masterclass, we'll touch on objective setting and why you might select certain agroforestry systems for certain objectives, species to select the right type of tree to do the job that you're looking for in your farm, and also looking at the market linkages. If you're interested in learning about agroforestry and crucially learning how to design a system that is sustainable and is going to help you regenerate your farming business, then take a look on our website and find out when the next Agroforestry Design Masterclass is happening.